Hey guys, Mr. Bobo425, the Lego King here, and today I'm going to review the Lego Racing Bike Transporter. It is set number 60084, contains 178 pieces, 2 minifigures, and I don't know how much it cost, and it released, let me see. Let's see. It released 2015. And okay, let's get started. First off, we start with the minifigs. Start with this guy there. He has really nice shades. Has nice torso printing and a nice back printing. No leg printing. A nice improved cap. Now, this guy. There. He has a nice face, like same. Twins. Well, really. And it comes with 2 motorcycles. Printing. Number 4. There we go. Here's number 5. Here's number, see, 1, 2, 3, and it comes with a trophy. It comes with a trailer right there. Let me remove this. Has a trailer to actually hold. Right there, here's the car. And here's the inside. What I like about it is has 2 seats. It's like a 2-seated. And this is a helmet holder. And yeah, this is, oh, one thing I almost forgot. The license plate, RK set number. No license plate in the back. And yeah, that's the review. So please subscribe for more videos to come. And I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.